So here's just an in-depth how to fit the 8V vents to an Audi TT MK2. So you've got your vent, and basically it has this ring that sits, so it sits something like this, and you basically have to melt, I used a soldering iron, and basically remove this bit of plastic here because we don't need that. So then what you've got to do is, I used a bench grinder for this, and basically you have to grind these bits down because there's some bits that stick out about that much with like little teeth on it, and you've just got to get rid of them basically. And you just go all the way around, just be careful of the cogs here, and just go all the way around, just tapering it, and basically, and then you want to come to your dashboard. So you've come to your dashboard, you've removed your old vents which just pull out, and then what you want to do is, yours will have like a black rubber line around it, which is this, so that'll be actually in there. And you've got, I basically used one of these, which is like a surgical hobby knife, and you basically want to just cut around there all the way around like that, all the way around, and then if you stick it in it like that and lift up, you can peel this bit out. So you just want to pull that out, throw that away, and then you just want to trim around it, around here, and I did it to about here and there, just on one side, so this bit's factory still, and that's roughly enough for it to go in. So you basically grab your vent and determine which way the lever is when it's open, and have this black dot at the top, and you basically just push it in, make sure this is lined up nice and square, that one, and just basically push it like that, and it'll go in, and then your vent will still turn and shut. That all moves about fine, that pulls in and out, and you basically do that 4 more times. So you've got 5 vents in the TT, and yeah, that's basically how to install the 8V air vents into an Audi TT MK2.